Myntri Khynnah ke Sorkar India bape yakatnat Jal Shakti bat Travel Affairs Ubeshwar Tudu ulami jyndat nak jelang pej bnia kepala pelong State Convention Center Shillong hakakat arterik nailar arajar arpuar. Kam hadian ki officer ke Sorkar Jilla kali jengo ya hakamra ha hotel paimut bat kerpat bunuan biang sya ke jingïalang. Hapakren siglar pathai kubor Myntri Khynnah ulong bolu ai tang ke presentation klaim ki kot kisla hakate ke jelang bat kuburu ba umhun ya ke jelang walau lali syong biang hakate ke jelang. Uniu Myntri Khynnah udan hapring ke jingwan jengo ba arsngi ya kanong ba Shillong ban pei pnia ikru kompentre kam ki skim ki kampen roi bat ki program ba pair da ke Sorkar India. Hadin pat labut da ke jingïalang pei pnia da katnat ya ke jingpentre kam ya ke skim Jal Jivan Mission JJM Swachh Bharat Mission SBM Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana PMKSY bat ki wei pat ki program na katnat Jal Shakti bat Travel Affairs.
Actually, this is a mandatory for the central minister once in a month. So accordingly, after resuming the charges, this is my first tour to Meghalaya, being the Minister of MS Jal Shakti and Tribal Affairs. Today is my first day. Tomorrow I will visit some projects which are completed and ongoing projects. Then I will be back. Now it is every meeting. Now once we have started, but it was seen that only the presentation they have shown me. Papers were not get ready. So I suggested them to get the papers and we will have the review meeting.
You are not happy with the presentation?
No, because without any papers, how will review? Not only in the presentation, because I have to give the report to the concerned department, home department. So this is very much essential, the hard copy. See, in national level, the implementation of Jal Jivan Mission is, I think, below 50%. But our target is to achieve 2024 March. So we are suggesting all the states to complete before March 2024. So I think if the state government will take interest, automatically the work will be progressed. You see, still now I have not got such evidential or documental things. So after getting these things, if possible, I will go and visit that project so that whether the allegation is right or wrong. If it is right, then action will be taken and how the implementation will be done and the work will be go speedily. I have not reviewed, but I will review it. I will review it. I came to know from the media persons like you, not anybody or any party leader. So I will review it also.